Tired of distractions ruining your audio experience? Imagine a world where your music, podcasts, and calls are crystal clear, perfectly tailored to you. Get ready to transform how you listen. Experience sound like never before. The Apple-designed H2 chip delivers richer audio with crisp highs and deep, resonant bass. Every note and beat comes alive, making your favorite content more vivid. This advanced chip ensures smarter noise cancellation and truly immersive sound. You'll hear every detail, exactly as it was intended. Block out distractions with up to 2 times more active noise cancellation. Your commute, your focus time, it all becomes a peaceful sanctuary. Enjoy unparalleled quiet wherever you are. Need to stay aware? Adaptive transparency intelligently blends in your surroundings. Hear important sounds like sirens or conversations without removing your earbuds. Find your perfect fit with 4 silicone tip sizes, XS to L. Enjoy all-day comfort and a secure acoustic seal. Your AirPods Pro 2 stay comfortably in place, no matter what. Power through your day with up to 6 hours of listening on a single charge. The MagSafe charging case extends this to an incredible 30 hours of total listening time. Experience effortless connection and control. From instant pairing to Hey Siri and precision finding, AirPods Pro 2 seamlessly integrate into your Apple ecosystem. Charging is a breeze with MagSafe. Ready to transform your audio? Don't just listen, experience. Upgrade to Apple AirPods Pro 2nd Gen today and redefine your sound. Click the link in our bio or visit the Apple Store on Amazon to get yours now.